that we stop, we pause, and we give thanks to the many, many men and women all around the world so that we can go about our business. We can feel safe coming to school. We can feel safe sleeping at night. Okay, we are not in a wartime. We can be safe because those people are out in the world guarding.
I joined the military because I love my country and I just wanted to give something back to it. I joined right out of high school. I was in the Navy, but we did construction, so I did carpentry and concrete work.
The veterans who helped allow us to have the freedom that we have. And I have a homework assignment for you as well. Who wants a homework assignment, right? Every time you see a veteran, if you see a veteran in uniform, go up to them and say thank you for your service. Because they might have put their life on their line, they might have been injured, they might have suffered some pretty difficult times. So a simple thank you would be very helpful. So your family members, I saw many hands raised when you said you had a family member.
I mean, join the service. There's plenty of reasons why you want to join, right? Whether it be how many of you do sports? Maybe you want to be a part of something, right? Maybe you want to be a part of something bigger than yourself. How many of you like to travel the world? Right? We travel the world. We just got back from Okinawa, spent about 3 years over in Japan. Lots of reasons why you want to, if you want to join the service and why you want to serve your country.